Right, this is Prince Wasim and we're doing a YouTube video. I've got host from London, Aiden Noman. What do you like to have today?
Koftey, please.
Koftey and anday. You like eggs in it?
Yeah.
Okay. What makes you like Koftey?
When my dad made it, and I really liked it.
Right, I have a question for you.
Yes.
Why do you come to Scotland all the way from London?
To see Prince Wasim.
Okay. So you want to see Koftey made in front of you, and we let you taste as well. So
Yes.
if you like it, you need to give a good comment. Okay.
Hmm.
So shall we start now? Shall we start?
Yes.
Okay. Right. This we've got the mince here. Okay.
Yes.
Now we're gonna put salt in it.
Yes.
Okay. That's the salt. Okay. And then you crush it. You like hot or you like medium?
Medium.
Medium. Okay. So you're gonna put one crushed chili. Then you're gonna put black pepper. Okay.
Yes.
So you like mild, so we put less spices in it.
Hmm.
Okay. This is my homemade masala. I'm gonna use in Koftey. Okay.
Okay.
The next thing is dhania powder. You put
Yes.
dhania powder in it. Now we already put zira inside. Okay. So last thing we put in crushed onion
Yeah.
and garlic and green chili. Okay.
Yeah.
We're gonna put that in to the mince.
Yes.
We put all the spices in it. Okay. Now we're gonna mix it. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Mix it like this.
Oh.
After mixing it, right, our mince is ready to make a meatballs. Okay, so we're gonna put meatball into the water, boil them
Yeah.
before. Okay,
Yeah.
and
Yeah. But one question. How
yeah,
are you going to make the meatballs?
look, I'm showing you
Oh.
like this. That's
A bit
perfect.
smaller, please.
It's smaller.
Yeah.
So you take some out and you make smaller. Okay?
Yeah, that's a perfect size.
Yeah, like this you put into the water.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then it goes into the water. We've got meatball ready, okay?
Yeah.
Now we're going to make masala, and we've got eggs in the water boiling, okay?
Yeah.
So what we're going to do it now, we're going to make a masala. After we made a masala, you can mix with the meatball and egg, then Koftey will be ready.
Yeah.
So that's we grind onion, ginger, garlic, tomato, green chili, all into.
And then after that, what are you going to do next?
Now we're going to put all the spices into. This is salt. First of all, we put salt in it. Okay. Then coriander, grind, and red chili.
Oh.
You say you want mild, so you put 1 spoon. This is haldi.
Oh.
And you're going to mix this, okay?
Yeah.
This is how you make the gravy for meatballs. Right, the gravy is nearly ready, okay?
Yeah.
And eggs are boiling.
Oh.
So,
And I've got a question.
yes, go ahead.
Why do you like cooking?
I like cooking because it's my passion. I love cooking. I used to have a restaurant for 14 years, so
Really?
I like cooking.
Wow. And why are the eggs all different colors instead of just one?
Right, because we live in Ayrshire village, okay, there's a farm, you can get fresh free-range eggs.
Yeah.
So So there's a grey one, brown one, white one. Local farm. Okay.
Yeah.
Right, you need to help me to peel the eggs now, okay? So you need to work something as well. I'll show you how to peel the eggs, okay?
Yeah.
You hold egg like this, and you tap it here, and you take the skin off like this, okay?
Oh.
Okay?
Yeah.
Like this.
One question.
Yes.
Why isn't the egg all liquidy inside?
There's no liquid because it's boiled. Boiled egg
Oh.
always hard,
Yeah.
okay? Yeah, you want to try it?
Yeah.
Go on. Take the skin off, okay?
Okay.
Like this, like this. Okay?
Yeah.
Oh, well done. You can work with me, we can make YouTube videos and we can go outside, you know, like Lafloman or Inverness,
Yeah.
Port William, you know, these places we can make cooking there and show people our talent, okay?
Yeah.
So you can learn as well.
Oh.
Good to learn, huh?
Yeah.
Our gravy was ready and we put the meatball and eggs into it. Now nearly ready, okay? What we're gonna do now, leave it for 10 minutes and then Koftey, anday, will ready, okay? And Aiden Noman has to say something, is that okay? Right.
I love my Wasim Mamu so much, and I like his Prince Wasim videos on YouTube. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
And thumbs up.
And thumbs up.
It's hot.
The Koftey is really nice, and thank you to my Wasim Mamu. It was very nice.
Did you like the taste and did you enjoy it?
It's just right next to my diary's Koftey.
Oh, well done. That's great. If I can compete with Tayyam here, I'll be brilliant chef.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. This is little Aiden Noman from London, my nephew. I love him to bits. He's a wonderful person, wonderful kid,
Cute.
and very cute.
One day, I'm going to start my own YouTube channel.
Oh, well done. I will help you. Don't worry.
Thank you.
So you have to say again to the people are watching. Go on YouTube.
Please go onto YouTube, subscribe, and like and comment down.
Must comment. Thumbs up.
And thumbs up. If you put thumbs down, then you will be banned from YouTube forever.